Matching equations and graphs. Which graph belongs to which equation? Y equals 3x minus 7, y equals 2x plus 2, and x plus y equals 4. To match an equation with a graph, use the equation to determine the coordinates of 2 points on the graph that make sense. Then find the graph that passes through these 2 points. Example: substitute in x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 1, we'll use the equation y equals 3x minus 7. Y is equal to 3 times 1 minus 7. 3 times 1 is 3. So y equals 3 minus 7. We'll add the opposite. The opposite of 7 is negative 7, so it's going to be 3 plus negative 7. And that's going to equal 4. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 4. Let's try to plot that on the graph. We'll look at the first graph. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 4. It's not on the line. X is equal to 1, y is negative 4. Doesn't work. X is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 4. It does fit on the line. Now we're going to confirm by trying x is equal to 3. We're going to replace the x with 3 and solve for y. Y equals 3 times 3 minus 7. 3 times 3 is 9. So y equals 9 minus 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. This should fit on the third graph. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. It does fit on the graph. Therefore, the equation for the third graph will be y equals 3x minus 7. We'll now try this again with the next equation. So when x is equal to 1, we'll solve for y. The equation we'll use is y equals 2x plus 2. So y will equal 2 times 1 plus 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. So when x is 1, y is 4. It does work on this graph. Let's see if it works on the other graph as well though. X is 1, y is 4. It does not. So that point will go in the first graph. We'll now confirm by trying x is equal to 3. So y equals 2x plus 2. Y equals 2 times 3 plus 2. 2 times 3 is 6, so y equals 6 plus 2, which is 8. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 8. Let's confirm this fits on the first graph. When x is 3, y is 8. It does. So we now know the equation for the first graph. Y equals 2x plus 2. X plus y equals 4 will likely be on the second graph, but we'll calculate just to confirm. So again, we'll use x is equal to 1. Replace the x with 1, which gives us 1 plus y equals 4. To remove the 1, we subtract 1 from both sides. The 1's will cancel, leaving us with y, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Let's confirm this fits on the second graph. So x is 1, y is 3? It does. And we'll confirm again by x is equal to 3. So x plus y equals 4. 3 plus y equals 4. To remove the 3, we subtract 3 from both sides. The 3's cancel on the left-hand side, leaving us with y. And 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So plot the point on the graph. When x is 3, y is 1. It does fit, and therefore x plus y equals 4 is the equation for the middle graph.